Hello and welcome to IISERs classes. Today we are going to solve one question from IIT JAM 2020 Mathematical Statistics. This is a question from section A, question number 9. Let xn where n is greater than equals to 1 be a sequence of IIT random variables such that expectation of xi is equals to 1 and variance of xi equals to also 1 for all I 1 to infinity. Then the approximate distribution of 1 by root over n sum over x2i minus x2i minus 1 for large n is what we need to find out. As this is a MCQ type question, therefore only one option is correct among this given 4 options. Now expectation of xi is equals to 1, variance of xi is also equals to 1. Therefore expectation of x2i minus 1 is equals to expectation of x2i minus expectation of x2i minus 1. Therefore 1 minus 1, which results in 0. And variance of x2i minus x2i minus 1 is equals to variance of x2i plus variance of x2i minus 1 minus 2 into covariance of x2i comma x2i minus 1. Now as they are IIT random variables, therefore they are independent, then covariance is equals to 0. Then this reduces to variance of x2i plus variance of x2i minus 1, and variance is also equals to 1, therefore 1 plus 1 is equals to 2. Now let's find expected value of the given expression, that is 1 by root over n sum over x2i minus 1. Hence this reduces to 1 by root over n sum over x2i minus 1, and we already have that this expectation is equals to 0. Hence expectation of 1 by root over n sum over x2i minus 1 is equals to 0. Now let's calculate the variance of that given expression, that is 1 by root over n sum over x2i minus 1. Hence we get 1 by n sum over variance of x2i minus 1, and the variance is results in 2. Therefore 2n divided by n, hence we get the variance is equals to 2. Now by central limit theorem we know that x minus expectation of x divided by root over variance of x is asymptotically normal 0, 1. Here we get x as 1 by root over n sum over x2i minus 1, and the expected value of this expression is 0, and the root over variance is equals to root 2, and this follows asymptotically normal 0, 1. Hence 1 by root over n, and this is of course for large n. Okay, now 1 by root over n sum over x2i minus 1 is asymptotically normal 0, 2 for large n. Hence we get our answer that this expression follows normal 0, 2 for large n. So this is the answer, and that's all for today. Thank you very much.